Are you about to buy a new iPad? Stop right there. Seriously, put your wallet away. Because what Apple is about to drop is going to change everything. Are you tired of searching for iPad 12 updates every single day? The wait has been very long for many Apple fans. It feels like we have been waiting forever for news on the most famous tablet in the world. Many people are starting to wonder what is happening. Is the iPad 12 even real? Well, you can finally relax. We have some solid answers for you today, and the news is better than anyone expected. Fresh details have arrived from very trusted sources, revealing some massive secrets about the launch. The very first thing you need to know is that the iPad 12 is totally finished. It is not just a concept or a plan on paper anymore. The entire manufacturing process is 100% complete. Right now, thousands of these tablets are sitting in hidden warehouses. They're boxed up, ready to go, and just waiting for the official launch day to arrive. Reports confirm that the tablet is absolutely ready to drop, and it will definitively arrive later this year. This is amazing news for the entire Apple community. But you might be wondering, if it is completely finished, why has it been missing for so long? The delayed release date confused so many buyers recently. Not too long ago, Apple hosted a huge event for their new gadgets. Everyone expected the base iPad 12 to be the star of that show. Fans were waiting for it, reviewers were ready for it, but the tablet was nowhere to be seen. At first, this felt like a very bad sign. People naturally assumed there were factory issues, software bugs, or massive manufacturing delays. But if you look closely at Apple's overall strategy, this delay actually makes total sense. It is a very smart, calculated marketing move by Apple. Right now, Apple is focusing heavily on a completely different product. They're pushing the brand new MacBook Neo everywhere. They want all the media attention, consumer hype, and review videos focused on that specific budget laptop. Launching a cheap, highly desirable iPad 12 at the exact same time would be a massive mistake for them. It would create unnecessary competition between their own products. Think about it from a purely business perspective. If both the budget laptop and the budget tablet came out at once, buyers would be incredibly confused. They wouldn't know which one to purchase with their hard-earned money. Tech reviewers would also have to split their focus, making fewer videos about each device. Apple wants the MacBook Neo to have the entire spotlight for now. Because of this strategic choice, they simply paused the iPad 12 release. The base iPad is already a very famous and established product. It really does not need a huge introduction or a massive event to sell millions of units. Delaying the tablet protects the sales of the new laptop, ensuring both products get their time to shine. Now let's talk about the exciting part. What is actually inside this new device? The internal changes are going to be absolutely huge. The latest leaks match everything we secretly hoped for. The single most important upgrade is the processor. The iPad 12 will use the incredibly powerful A18 chip. This is a massive, unprecedented leap forward for the base model tablet. A faster chip makes the tablet feel very snappy, smooth, and incredibly responsive. However, raw speed is not the only benefit here. The A18 processor brings Apple Intelligence directly to the cheapest iPad. Right now, almost every other modern iPad supports these advanced AI tools. The base model was the only one left behind in the dark ages. Giving the iPad 12 the A18 chip perfectly solves this problem. You will finally get access to brilliant smart writing tools to help you draft emails and essays. You'll be able to use the fun image playground features to generate pictures on the fly. Apple considers AI to be the absolute future of their company. Upgrading this budget tablet to handle AI is a mandatory step for them to keep everyone in their ecosystem. Some wild rumors online suggested the tablet might get an A19 chip. However, that is very unlikely to happen. The new premium MacBook Neo uses the A18 Pro chip. Putting a newer A19 chip in a much cheaper iPad simply does not make sense. It would completely ruin Apple's pricing strategy and make their expensive devices look bad. The A18 is the absolute perfect fit for this device. It can silly handle all your daily tasks without breaking a sweat. It is great for watching high-definition movies, browsing the web, or typing out school notes. It is also powerful enough for casual and even some heavy gaming. Along with this blazing fast processor, we expect a very big memory boost. The iPad 12 should finally feature 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is a brilliant, much-needed upgrade for every single user. More RAM means your tablet can handle heavy multitasking with ease. You won't have to worry about your background apps constantly closing or refreshing when you switch between them. Furthermore, Apple Intelligence actually requires extra RAM to work well. This specific memory boost will keep your tablet running fast for many years into the future. It makes the device a much better value for your money. You're literally getting pro-level power packaged in a budget-friendly device. This is exactly what the fans have been begging for over the last few years. It turns the basic media consumption iPad into a serious, heavy-duty productivity tool. While the inside of the iPad 12 is getting a massive makeover, you shouldn't expect any wild changes on the outside. The physical look of the iPad 12 will remain mostly identical to the previous generation. Apple already did a major, beautiful redesign of the base iPad back in 2022. They gave it those sleek flat edges, removed the home button, and smartly moved the front camera to the landscape edge. Now, all iPads share that exact same modern style. Apple usually sticks with a single design for several years to save on manufacturing costs. So, they have absolutely no financial reason to change a successful look so quickly. You will still see the very familiar 11-inch screen and the slim, modern bezels we have grown to love. We might see some fresh new colors added to the lineup, like a different, deeper shade of blue or a vibrant new purple, but that is about all you can expect for the exterior. For most normal people, this is actually a really good thing. It means your expensive old cases, keyboards, and accessories will likely still fit the new model perfectly, saving you even more money. Since this is a budget device designed for the masses, some of the older features are staying exactly the same. One thing that hasn't changed at all is the screen technology. The display will remain non-laminated. This is a major point that some hardcore tech fans constantly complain about online, but there is a very practical, real-world reason for it. Apple does this to keep the final retail price as absolutely low as possible. This specific tablet is incredibly popular among young students and kids. Let's be honest, accidents happen all the time. Screens get dropped, stepped on, and cracked constantly in classrooms and playrooms. An unlaminated screen is much cheaper and far easier to fix if it breaks compared to the highly complex, expensive screens on the iPad Pro. That is a massive bonus for parents who do not want to spend an absolute fortune on simple screen repairs. Also, do not expect fancy, high-end upgrades like an OLED panel or a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Apple strictly saves those expensive features for their Pro models to justify the massive price tag. For the average user who is just watching YouTube videos, playing casual games, or doing homework, the current Liquid Retina display is still incredibly sharp, beautifully bright, and plenty good enough. Even without a fancy OLED screen, the iPad 12 looks like an incredible, unbeatable deal. It is shaping up to be the absolute best budget tablet available anywhere on the market. By adding the strong A18 chip and bumping the memory up to 8 gigabytes of RAM, Apple is making this device truly future-proof. Usually, budget tablets from other brands start to feel incredibly slow and laggy after just a year or two. But with this much raw power under the hood, the iPad 12 will stay lightning fast for a very long time. You are getting premium speed and high-end AI features for a very low, accessible entry price. It offers a perfect mix of power and affordability that no other tech company can really match right now. If you've been holding on to a very old iPad with a physical home button, this is the absolute perfect time to upgrade. You get the beautiful modern look, the newest software, and enough processing power to handle whatever the next few years of apps bring. So, what is the final verdict on all of this? The iPad 12 is a huge, undeniable victory for buyers. It proves once and for all that you do not need to spend over $1,000 to get a smart, highly capable tablet that can keep up with the latest technology. This is the exact device you need if you want a reliable daily companion for school, heavy office work, or just relaxing on the couch at home. Apple has managed to perfectly balance cost-cutting with high-end performance in a way that just makes sense for everyone involved. It is a strategic win for Apple's ecosystem and a massive value win for us as consumers. We expect it to hit the shelves very soon, and it will likely become the best-selling tablet of the entire year. If you want the best bang for your buck, the wait for the iPad 12 is almost over, and it looks like it was definitely worth every single second. While the powerful new chip and increased memory are the main stars of the show, there are some smaller technical upgrades that will make a really big difference in how you use the tablet every day. For the first time in the entire history of the base model, we strongly expect to see Apple's custom N1 wireless chip placed inside. This might sound like a very minor, boring detail, but it actually brings some very modern, high-speed features to the budget iPad. Specifically, It should allow the iPad 12 to fully support Wi-Fi 7. This means you will get much faster internet download speeds and a far more stable connection if you have a modern wireless router at your house. Bluetooth 6.0 is also highly likely to be included. This will help your AirPods and your Apple Pencil connect much more quickly and reliably without any annoying drops. These background updates ensure that even though this is officially the cheapest iPad, it definitely doesn't feel like a slow device from the past. It keeps you connected to the absolute latest wireless standards, just like the much more expensive Pro models do. Now, let's discuss the part that absolutely everyone cares about the most, the price. In the past, Apple has always tried to keep the base iPad as affordable as humanly possible to get people into their ecosystem. Even with the massive move to the advanced A18 chip and the large increase to 8 gigabytes of RAM, most signs point to Apple keeping the final price very, very low. Many financial experts and tech analysts believe the starting price will remain at an incredible $349. If Apple can actually offer a full, fast, AI-capable tablet for under $400, it will absolutely destroy the Android tablet competition. There is some slight talk that the price could move up just a bit to $399 because of the more expensive internal microchips. But even then, it remains a totally fantastic deal for hard-working students and families. It provides a level of raw computing power that you usually have to pay so much more for. Apple wants as many people as possible using their new Apple Intelligence software. So, logically, keeping the entry price as low as possible is the absolute best way to reach millions of new daily users. So, when can you actually buy one of these and have in your hands? The timeline has shifted a few times over the last few months, but the current status is now very clear. The tablet is entirely ready, and Apple is just waiting for the perfect window to release it. Because Apple recently focused so heavily on the MacBook Neo launch, they're expected to release the iPad 12 very quietly via a simple website press release very soon. Many trusted reports suggest a firm launch window between April and May of 2026. This timing would align absolutely perfectly with a massive back-to-school shopping season that starts shortly after. The finished hardware is sitting in dark warehouses right now, and the final software touches are being applied. We are truly in the home stretch now. The very long wait for a budget-friendly, AI-powered iPad is almost entirely over. In conclusion, the iPad 12 is the ultimate final piece of Apple's big AI master plan. For a long time, the base iPad was the only modern product they sold that couldn't run Apple's newest software features. By finally giving it the A18 chip, Apple is bringing absolutely everyone, no matter their budget, into the exact same smart ecosystem. You are getting a device that is incredibly fast, perfectly future-proof, and surprisingly affordable. It absolutely does not need a fancy new physical design to be considered a GREAT product. The true value here is all hidden in the performance and the amazing new software capabilities. If you need a reliable, strong tablet that will easily last for the next 5 years of your life, this is definitely the one to watch. It is simple to use, incredibly powerful, and exactly what the tech market needs right now. I honestly believe this is going to be one of the best value tech purchases of the decade. We will keep a very close eye on the official Apple newsroom for that big announcement any day now. If you found this video helpful and you're excited about the new iPad 12, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend who needs a new tablet, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.